Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for June 17 to 23, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang kung gusto nyo mag-book for a private reading. Okay, Sagittarius, let's see what's coming to you this week. Anong ganap sa inyo? Pallas Athena, think. Oh, maaring meron kayong mga pag-aaralan ngayong week na to. You will be thinking a lot, no? Yun nga lang, iwas sa overthinking. Kasi baka mag-obsess ka about isang bagay na yun na lang laging iniisip mo. Let's see what else. You have partnership. Uy, this is romantic connection for some of you or business partnership. Baka may iniisip ka na relationship ngayon. You have solar flares activate. Okay, I'm seeing someone na gustong mag-open up sa isang tao about sa kanyang nararamdaman. So it's either this is you or the person that you are dealing with. Or pwede rin meron kang gustong kausapin regarding a project na gusto mong gawin ninyo together. It's either a business or personal project. Let's see your overall energy. You have the Death card, Scorpio energy to. So this is transformation, endings, and new beginnings. In what area of life itong may transformation sa mga Sagittarius? Third house. Oh, ayun na nga. Learning kasi to. Third house. Learning, communication skills ninyo. Yung iba sa inyo, random, magkakaroon kayo ng bagong kapitbahay. Oo, may bagong kapitbahay. Or maari ring you will be connecting with your siblings, sa mga kapatid mo. Meron kang gustong gawin ninyo together like a business, ganyan. Let's say your challenge. Queen of Wands. Okay. The challenge here is yung execution, yung action na kailangan mong gawin. Kasi pwedeng may times na nag-overthink ka, kasi yung pag-overthink is also part of the procrastination na lagi mo lang siya iniisip, bini-visualize, pero you're not really taking action, so wala kang makikitang resulta pag ganun. So yan yung challenge mo on how to finally take action towards your ideas. Okay? So your opportunity, Six of Wands, you have the opportunity to become famous. Oh, yung iba sa inyo kung kayo ay nasa social media, content creation, in the public eye kayo, mas lalo kayong makikilala. And you will also be recognized sa inyong community, sa workplace, sa career ninyo, sa business, because of the things that you've been doing, no? Kung maaring meron kang mga successful na venture, successful na career, successful na business. What is your blessing? You have the Judgment card. So this is major change. Alam nyo, Sagittarius, itong transformation, endings, new beginnings na mangyayari ay blessing para sa inyo. Okay? Hindi porket may nagtatapos, na yon, nakakalungkot na yon, 'di ba? This is also a time for you to explore new opportunities and start something new, start fresh. Oo, sa iba sa inyo, you're going to start fresh. What is the Death card? You have the Seven of Pentacles. I think matagal mo na tong plano, no, na may magbago. Kumbaga, pinaghahandaan mo siya. And finally, the time has come para gawin mo na. So, di ba pag gumagawa ng bahay, meron muna yung plano, no, yung blueprint. Dinodrawing muna yan ng architect. So, parang ganon, na tapos na yung drawing. Oo, tapos na yung blueprint mo. So, sa engineer ka na makikipag-usap para masimulan na yung construction ng bahay mo. Something like that, no? So, let's see, what is the Queen of Wands? The Six of Cups. Okay. Yung iba kasi sa inyo, iniisip nyo na baka hindi siya mag-workout, no? Kung ano man tong plano ninyo. Kasi maaring meron kayong history of failure sa parehong paraan. Okay? But of course, kung ikaw naman yung failure na yon kinuha mo yung lessons doon, then pwede mo magamit yung lessons na yon dito sa bago mong gustong gawin or subukan, 'di ba? So, it's still up to you. Kumbaga mararamdaman mo naman kung talagang kailangan mo talaga siyang gawin. Let's say meron kang bagong business na gusto mong subukan or gusto mong buhayin ulit yung negosyo na yun or balikan ng isang dating trabaho. Okay? Some of you, pwede ring merong person from the past na nagtatry na makipag-communicate sa'yo ulit. So, be careful sa pag-entertain ng mga person from the past, ha? Kailangan alam nyo talaga agad yung kanilang intentions. What is the Six of Wands? The Empress. Wow, you have the opportunity to be prosperous. You have the opportunity to be abundant. Very creative ka rin ngayong week na to. Parang meron kang ipapanganak na bagong venture. Like, let's say, isang trabaho, no? Isang career. Parang ipapanganak mo siya. Parang ilo-launch, ganon. So, pwede mo sabihin na, oh, this is my new baby, ganon. Or, pwede rin meron kang opportunity na magkaroon ng bagong alaga. Alagang hayop. Pet, dog, cat, ganyan. What is the Judgment card? The Hierophant. Alam mo nyo, Sagittarius, you have become wiser over the years, no? And yan yung blessing ninyo, yung knowledge nyo, yung skills ninyo, yung mga nalaman nyo, yung mga natutunan nyo, yung life lessons nyo dahil sa mga experiences na naranasan nyo. And I feel like there is also an opportunity for you to become a mentor, a teacher, na kung saan nagsishare ka ng iyong knowledge, ng iyong skills sa ibang tao, na pwede mo rin siyang i-monetize. Let's say, gagawa ka ng mga courses, no? Yung meron kang area of expertise, tapos gagawan mo siya ng course, tapos ibibenta mo, diba? Wow, look at that, Sagittarius. There's definitely prosperity, success, okay? Easy money, good fortune. Parang naka-jackpot ka daw. Sa relationship, some of you, maaring merong heartbreak, disappointment with someone. It doesn't mean separation, ha? Pero dun sa iba, pwedeng mauwi sa separation. But I feel like meron lang misunderstanding if you are in a relationship with someone. May blockages na kailangan kang tanggalin. Oo. Para magtuloy-tuloy ang iyong biyahe, ang iyong journey. But I feel like itong blockage na to, natatanggal na to, no? So, kumbaga, ikaw mismo yung nagtatanggal ng barriers na yan. Temporary setback lang naman. So, sa money, career, finances, ibabalance mo yung oras at panahon mo sa trabaho, tsaka sa career mo, tsaka sa relationship at personal life mo. Para ma-enjoy mo pareho, 'di ba? Mahirap nun puro trabaho. Tapos wala kang oras at panahon sa family mo, sa sarili mo, 'di ba? Parang wala ka ng gana, no? But kung puro naman sarili mo, family mo magastos, edi wala ka ng income noon pag di ka nagtrabaho. Okay? So you will also be more experimental sa career, sa business. Wow, self-made. So, I think itong success na to, itong abundance na to, ay may kinalaman sa pagiging self-made mo, na you did your, kumbaga ikaw mismo yung nag-establish ng sarili mo, from rags to riches, dahil na rin sa yung perseverance, sa yung pagpupursige. Sa relationship, okay. Siguro yung iba sa inyo meron kayong kakonect na hindi masyadong expressive sa nararamdaman niya. Parang nonchalant, no? Yung parang you don't know what this person feels, kung masaya ba siya sa'yo, kung malungkot ba siya. So, I feel like magkakaroon kayo ng parang open forum, parang mag-uusap kayo, no? Para ma-discuss ninyo yung expectations ninyo sa isa't isa, para ma-fulfill nyo yun. Kasi we tend to expect from others, no, especially sa ating romantic relationship, nang hindi nila alam. Oo. So, hindi nila alam, may expectations tayo sa kanila, and sila, hindi rin natin alam na meron silang expectations sa atin. So, I feel like you will be expressing your feelings, your expectations from each other, para maayos yung inyong relationship. You know what to expect na. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Bye!